Learn English with your Instill.
Sir, I want to tell something.
Yes, please tell me. What happened?
Sir, when I speak English, people laugh at me. They smile and talk to each other. I feel very bad. I feel I am not good. My English is very weak.
Oh, I understand. You feel sad because people laugh when you speak English. But don't worry. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn a new language. You are learning, and learning takes time.
But sir, they speak fast. I don't understand them. When I try to talk, my words are wrong. My friends laugh, and I feel nervous.
It's fine. You are not alone. Many students feel like you. You only need more practice and confidence. Let's practice together. Let's speak simple English, okay?
Okay, sir.
We will use simple present tense today. We use simple present tense to talk about daily life, habits, and routines. For example, I say, I wake up at 6 o'clock. That means I do it every day. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Let's try.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Very good. Say it again slowly.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. See, you speak well. Now let's add more sentences. After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good. Say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Nice. Now say two sentences together.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. You are learning fast. Let's continue. After you brush your teeth, what do you do?
I wash my face. I take a shower.
Very good. You can also say, I wash my face and take a shower. Try it.
I wash my face and take a shower.
Great job. Remember, always speak slowly and clearly. Don't be afraid. Let's learn more. After the shower, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Yes, I eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Perfect. You are using the simple present tense correctly. I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk. That's very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, what do you do after breakfast?
I go to school.
Nice. You can say, I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Well done. And what do you do at school?
I study English. I write. I read. I talk to my friends.
Excellent. You are speaking very well. Let's make a small paragraph. Listen to me first, then repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my friends.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my friends.
Very good. You spoke all sentences clearly. See, you can speak English. You only need to practice more.
But, sir, sometimes I forget words.
It's okay. You can use simple words. If you forget a word, don't stop. Use another easy word. Speak slowly. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Let's practice more daily activities. What do you do in the afternoon?
I come home. I eat lunch.
Very good. You can say, I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with my family.
I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with my family.
Excellent. After lunch, what do you do?
I rest. I watch TV.
Perfect. You can also say, I take a rest, I watch TV. Try again.
I take a rest. I watch TV.
Very nice. Let's talk about the evening. What do you do then?
I do my homework. I help my mother.
Great sentences. I do my homework. I help my mother. You are using the simple present tense correctly every time.
Thank you, sir. I feel happy now.
That's good. You are improving. Remember, practice every day. Speak English at home, even alone. Look in the mirror and talk. You can say, I wake up, I eat, I go to work. Practice makes you confident.
Sir, sometimes I want to talk, but my mind stops. I forget what to say.
That happens to everyone. You can write your sentences first, read them aloud. When you read, listen to your voice. Try to repeat the same sentences every day. Slowly, you will remember without reading.
I will try.
Good. Also, watch simple English videos. Listen and repeat. Don't be afraid if people laugh. They may laugh, but you are learning something good. One day, they will stop laughing and start listening to you.
Thank you, sir. Your words make me feel strong.
That's my job. I am proud of you. You are brave to speak. Now, let's say all your daily routine again, from morning to night.
Okay, sir. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my friends. I come home at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with my family. I take a rest. I watch TV. I do my homework. I help my mother.
Excellent. And what do you do at night?
I eat dinner. I read a book. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wonderful. That is your full daily routine. You have spoken almost perfectly. Now, if you keep practicing this every day, your English will become strong.
I will practice, sir. I will not be afraid anymore.
That's the spirit. Just remember, English is not about being perfect. It is about communication. Speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat every day.
Thank you for teaching me in an easy way, sir.
You're welcome. I am happy to see your confidence. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning.
I will, sir. I like English now. It feels easy when you explain like this.
That's wonderful. Remember, you can do it. Speak English with joy and without fear. You are improving every minute you practice.
Yes, sir. I will speak English every day.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.